you have heard the question, unless you want me to repeat.
Thank you. Thank you very much for the question. You see, economic policies are meant for the people, and they cannot be formulated without consulting all stakeholders, be it labor, be it business, be it civil society, but most importantly, political parties. Our role as opposition is to guard against excesses, missteps and omissions. So whenever policies are made, we should be consulted. And in this case, the TSP was pushed through, we were not consulted. And from TSP, they have gone to NDS1, we were not consulted. And that's bad governance. Yeah, they are doing this for themselves and not for the people. Because if they were doing it for the people, we as opposition are a stakeholder in this country. Our voices should have been heard. We wanted to give inputs in this policy formulation process. So it's defective, and that's why most of these policies will never succeed, because they are hurriedly put in place without consulting adequately the people who matter, and in this case the opposition. We as MDCT, the official opposition, were not consulted in the making of the TSP and the NDS1. And I'm going to register those concerns as I debate in Parliament just shortly.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.